Some people get a bit scared of lawyers and think, oh, I don't want to use a lawyer, I'll just do my own will. And okay. And there's a lot of will kits out there and people do their own wills. But I'm here to tell you that a lot of those will kits, a lot of those homemade wills create more problems than what it's worth, because there's usually a big clean-up job to be done after that person dies in trying to find meaning out of the words that the person has used that wrote the will. And the problem is this: we can't ask that person because they've died. So the best advice I can give to someone that wants to do a valid will is to get a specialist lawyer, a succession specialist, to do the will. And that way it'll have precise meaning. Everyone knows what it means. We don't have to apply to the court and make the lawyers rich because we can't find meaning. If you want to do a valid will, then the best advice I can give you is you seek specialist advice. You don't ask an architect how to fix your car. It doesn't work. If you want some specialist advice, please feel free to contact us here at Mitchell Solicitors. We offer a free 10-minute consultation. If for someone you care about, you notice that there's suddenly this new will or there are other suspicious circumstances, then you need to act fast. You need to get some specialist advice. If you have a dispute with a will or an estate, please feel free to contact us here at Estate Battles.